Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Riot client is not opening or launching. So for example, I'm clicking on it and it doesn't open for me for some reason. It just loads up and it's not opening. So what you need to do is go ahead and search, write down Riot, and once you will see Riot client, you want to open file location. And you can actually try to do, what you can actually try to do is go ahead and just run it as administrator, just like so. Or you can also go and open file location again on the Riot client itself. So just like so. And when you see Riot client services, this is the main application. You want to go to properties, compatibility, and run this program as administrator, click apply and OK. And that will fix your problem. Just let me show you. As you can see, it now loads up. If it won't open up, you go on search, write down Riot client, and go ahead and run as administrator. Then you're going to click yes, and it will open up. Here it is. Now it opened up, and now I can go ahead and log into it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.